Hello, everyone. It's Lindsay, and this month I'm doing things a little bit differently. I just posted my unboxing for this new kit from ByTheWell4God, Identified, and I thought I would post a quick process video at the same time. That way you could see some of the new products in use. So I'm not doing any in-depth study. I'm just documenting this prayer that is in the introduction of the devotional. So I went ahead and wrote that out on the back of one of these Telegram journaling cards is available as an add-on. Now, at the time that I'm filming this, it does look like there's some devotional kits still available in the shop, as well as most of the add-on products. So all of those will be linked down below, as well as anything else that I use. That little Matthew stamp set that I'm going to use here, that I think is sold out, but I didn't grab the new alphas for this release. I'm just trying to use what's in my stash. Now, I am journaling in Romans 11:36. I mentioned in the unboxing video, I thought I would do Romans 8:29, but when I read the prayer, Romans 11:36 was mentioned in there, and that says, "For from him and through him and to him are all things. To him be the glory forever. Amen." And so I thought that was just a really good way to kind of just kick off this study this month. So I'm going to just create my title on this Telegram journaling card, and you'll see I'm kind of testing out quite a few different things. Like I said, this is the first time I'm working with the kit. I literally finished doing my unboxing, cleared off my desk, and jumped right into this video. So I'm just getting a feel for the different products and the colors and, a lot of this kind of stuff that you would see off camera, not on camera, I'm leaving in here. Like this here, I'm trying to fill in this card a little bit. I used one of the small stickers that says from, through, to him. And so I'm filling in one of the corners with one of those little camper stickers. I'm trying to just use a little bit of everything, little stickers, ephemera, stamps, just to kind of give you some examples of how to use the various products. So this Hello, my name is stamp is the one that comes with the devotional kit. And a little trick I have for like square or rectangle stamps is to actually lay it down on your table and then pick it up with your stamp block. That helps you avoid getting any kind of warping in the stamp. Sometimes when you go to apply one of those stamps to your stamp block, it will be like stretched or warped. And so to maintain the appropriate shape, if you just lay it down upside down on your table and then pick it up with your block, gives you a better result. I stamped that in some crushed olive distress oxide ink. And then now I picked another one of the phrases from that stamp set. Let's see, child of the one true king. And I stamped that in some fossilized amber distress oxide ink. And then just use my tiny attacher to adhere that to that other card. Now I want to use this fingerprint stencil again, just trying to kind of get a theme for the entire kit here in this first entry. So I'm trying to figure out exactly where I want this, kind of peeping out. This is a very, very quick and easy entry that we are creating today. I'm going to blend some Evergreen Bow Distress Oxide ink. Now I'm choosing to go in with a makeup brush. That way it's very, very soft. I don't want any hard edges. And I'm kind of keeping it away from those straight edges of the stencil. I don't want those in my stenciling. I want it to look like it's kind of fading out into the page, very organic, natural. And so, by going in with a makeup brush, that does help, gives you a much softer look. I switched over to some salvaged patina distress oxide ink. This is a little more on the blue side than the Evergreen Bow, though I do still have some of that green on my brush. I didn't clean my brush off. And you can see there's just a slight difference between the two. Now I can start layering things. Now I do cover up a little bit of the Bible text with that die cut there. That doesn't bother me. I have a million other Bibles to read from. But if that does bother you, you can use a clear sticker instead, or not adhere that all the way down, or adjust it so everything's in the margin. I am working in my illustrating Bible today. I decided this is what I'm going to be working in this month. I really wanted to work on those bright white pages with the colors of this particular kit. So I did fussy cut out. These are the ephemera pieces that come in the devotional kit. I just cut away some of the white border, and then I'm just creating little clusters around this card. Now, remember, I wrote out the prayer on the back of this card, so I'm just going to attach it with a little mini paper clip. These are from Felicity Jane. They're no longer available, but any little paper clip will work. And then that's it. So I can take that off. I can add more notes in there as I go back and do some more study in Romans 11:36. But there's just a quick look at the start of this kit. Everything will be linked down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.